Hi guys, my name is Ali. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about how to make a free domain name and connect it to your host provider. So this is what we're gonna do exactly in today's video. So we're going to get a free domain name and then we're going to connect it to your host provider. In my case, my host provider is a HOSTGATOR. And then we're going to install WordPress, and finally we're gonna launch your website. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna want to do is to go to freenome.com. And right here you want to type in the domain name that you want for your website, just like google.com, facebook.com, etc. So in my case I want to search for example, I don't know, like maybe Ali, let me make it small, Ali free domain. And you want to click on check availability, and yeah, so you have all of these extensions that the domain end up with. Like for example, we have free domain, alifreedomain.tk, alifreedomain.ml. So in my case I want to take alifreedomain.ga, and you want to click on, so if you click on get it now, it's gonna say it's not available. So the way you want to fix this is you want to sign in or sign up to a new account. So you want to create your new account. In my case I already created an account, and so I'm just gonna sign in with my Gmail. You can also sign in with Facebook, as you can see right here. Okay, so I signed in to my account, and now I want to go to services, and you want to go back to register a new domain. You want to click on it, and you want to type again, my domain name is Ali Free Domain. You want to click on check availability. Alright, so I'm gonna take alifreedomain.ga. It's free, and you want to click on get it now. Yeah, you can see here it says selected, so problem fixed. Alright, so what you want to do is click on checkout, and if you choose 12 months, it says a free. After 12 months it say you have to pay, so it's a free for 1 year. So I want to take it for 12 months. Click on it and click on continue, and click this on this box right here and click complete order. Alright, so order confirmation, we have it. If you want to click here to get to your client area. And right now I got the domain already. You want to go to my domains, and here are all the domains that I already purchased for free. Actually, like you can see here, it's free. And alright, so this is a domain I purchased. It's not working right now because we didn't connect it to our host provider. So you want to click on manage domain, and now you want to connect this domain to your host provider. So you want to go to your host provider, whatever it is. In my case, my host provider is HOSTGATOR.com. so you want to write portal.hostgator.com. It's gonna take me to my dashboard, and you want to click on launch cPanel. You want to go to your cPanel, and from the cPanel you want to go to You want to go to add-on domains right here. You want to click on add-on domains. And you want to copy the domain you just purchased for free. You want to copy that and paste it right here. And it's gonna does the subdomain automatically for you, so you don't have to fill in the information. If you want to create an FBT account associated with this domain, you can click right here, but I don't want to do that for now. So all you want to click on add domain. So what this does, you already added the domain to your host provider, and right now you want to add the server name, or what you call it again. You want to add the name servers. You want to connect it to the host provider. So where you can find that, you want to click on go back and go to your control panel, and you can see it is right here. Primary name server is this one, and this is the secondary. You want to copy both of those and paste them right here. So this is the second one, which is this one. You want to copy it and paste it right here. Okay, and you want to click on change name server. Alright, so it says changes saved successfully. Alright, so if you open this, it's still not opening because we did not install WordPress yet. So what you want to do is you want to go to your cPanel and go to WordPress installer, or you can also find it here depending. This may vary, like the place may vary from one account to another depending on the host provider. So in my case, I have HOSTGATOR. It is right here. All right, so it's right here, and you want to click on it. It's going to take you to the WordPress installer, and from there you can install your WordPress. So it says here select domain for installation, and you want to select the domain you just purchased. So in my case, I have all of these domains, and this is the domain that I already purchased, alifreedomain.ga. You want to click on next, and you want to type in the block title. The block title is what you can see right here. This says main, so the name that you want to write here is gonna show up here. So you want to write, for me, free domain website. The admin username. This is important. You need to remember this. The admin username is you're gonna use this name to sign in to your WordPress account. Alright, so you want to click on terms of service agreement. And you want to type in your email address. And you want to click on install. So it's not going to take so long. See, it's very quick. It says installation complete. Just want to wait for this overall website process. So you can see here the installation details, your username, your password. You want to copy those. You want to keep those. So you want to copy the password for now. So you need to use this password to your WordPress login. So you want to wait a little bit until this complete, and you want to click on login once it's completed. Yeah, so it shows that the site cannot be reached because I just registered the domain to my host provider. So you want to wait a little bit, like maybe 1 hour, or like typically it's not gonna take more than 2 days. So you want to wait a little bit until they check your domain name and everything, and they gonna approve your domain, and then you will be able to log into your WordPress account. So I'm gonna end the video right here, and I will show you a proof that I already have a lot of websites. So if you go to my dashboard, cPanel, yeah, so these are the domains that are already registered on this host provider. So this is the domain that is already working. That is my website. Didn't do anything on it, but just to show you that this method is 100% working. So all you need to do is to wait a little bit, like typically 2 days, or maybe even 5 minutes sometimes, to get approved. And then you'll be able to go to your WordPress account and sign in and design your website, and you will be good to go. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you for watching.